What's going on, guys? Your everyday math tutor here, and in today's video we are tasked on finding f prime of x of this function that is given. Now essentially it's just finding the derivative, but we're going to be using the derivative definition here in this example. So let's remind ourselves what the definition of the derivative is. That's f prime of x is equal to the limit of f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h approaches 0. So let's see what that would look like with our given function. That is f prime of x is equal to the limit of, so the first f of x plus h, we're just substituting x plus h wherever we see an x. So we're going to have 3 times x plus h squared plus 2 times x plus h plus 1, and then we subtract the original function, which is just 3x squared plus 2x plus 1, and that's all going to be over h as h approaches 0. The second step is just simplifying further. We have the limit again, so this is going to be 3 times, and x plus h squared is h squared plus 2xh, plus h squared plus 2x plus 2h plus 1. We just used the distributive property to multiply that 2 into the x plus h. Then we added the 1, and then everything on the right, the original function would just change its signs here. So negative 3x squared minus 2x minus 1, and that's going to be over h as h approaches 0. And again, f prime of x is going to equal to the limit, and we use the distributive property again, which is going to be 3x squared plus 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2x plus 2h plus 1 minus 3x squared minus 2x minus 1 and over h. And then we can't forget that the limit as of this function as h approaches 0. Okay, and now all we need to do is combine like terms. So the original function's terms are technically being eliminated. So the 3x squareds get eliminated, the 2x's get eliminated, and the 1's get eliminated. And we are left with f prime of x is equal to the limit of 6xh plus 3h squared plus 2h over h as h approaches 0. And that is f prime of x is equal to, we can substitute an h out of the function on the numerator, or the expression in the numerator. So that's going to be left with h parentheses 6x plus 3h plus 2 over h as h approaches 0. That is f prime of x is equal to the limit. The h's cancel out. We're left with 6x plus 3h plus 2 as h approaches 0. We can now evaluate the limit, and we are left with just 6x plus 2 as h approaches 0. All we're doing is substituting the 0 into wherever we see h. Obviously, this is the only h we have. 3 times 0 is 0. So we're left with the 6x plus 2. So f prime of x is equal to 6x plus 2.